These actually turned out awesome.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna take some Instagram photos. We're gonna go over some tips on how you can get more engagement using those Instagram photos. But this video is ultimately going to be about how you can take better Instagram photos using your iPhone by yourself. All right, so tip number one is lighting. Most important thing is always going to be lighting. Now, you can use a light of your own that you guys bought, something that looks like this. Or if you don't have that, the best thing to do, natural lighting. Sunlight is always gonna be number one. Always looks the best in Instagram photos and videos. So right now, I'm actually not using any light at all. I'm using the sunlight, natural light from a window that's behind me. So you can see the lighting is good. I could take pictures right now, I'd probably be happy with them. But if I do a little 180 with my cell phone and I put you guys into the view of my cell phone, it's gonna look like this. You guys see, it's dark. It doesn't look so good, but this window right here that's flowing with the direction of my camera, as soon as we go back to that other angle, it looks like this. See? Much better, right? Okay, tip number two, use props. Could be a coffee mug, could be a newspaper. I don't personally have a newspaper, I don't read newspapers anymore, but you see a lot of people on Instagram use newspapers, use coffee mugs, pens, all sorts of random stuff, office settings. Looks really, really good, and for some reason, Instagram tends to like those shots. But today, the product that we're gonna use is the Exter wallet because they are also the sponsor of this video. So thank you, Exter. I love your guys' wallets. We're gonna take some product shots with these wallets. Check this out. This right here is the Exter wallet, okay? It's beautiful. It's got a little thumb button right here that you can click, which pulls out your cards. If you open it up, you can put other cards, some money right here. This thing is nice, and the leather smells amazing. The most important thing about this Exter wallet right here, you cannot lose it. It's impossible to lose. This thing has a tracking device on it that connects to your cell phone. It's on an app. So if you ever lose it, all you gotta do is buzz it, it comes right back. So if you guys are sick and tired of losing your wallet, or you're sick and tired of hearing your husband complain about losing your wallet, I'll put the link down below so you guys can grab one using my coupon code. Check it out. Let's get started guys on taking these photos. We are just using an iPhone today. You can use a DSLR, but don't panic. You don't need one. First, before we get started, clean your lens. Don't take photos right away without giving your lens just a quick little wipe down so it's nice and clean, okay? You touch this thing all day with your fingerprints, then you go take a photo, it doesn't look so good. So make sure it's clean, get that sharp photo that we need. So we're gonna take three different types of shots. One with a product, like I said, could be your mug, but today it's gonna be our wallet. Two, a shot by yourself using your timer just in case you have nobody around. And three, we're gonna take ones using mirrors and holding up our phone like a selfie style. Instagram loves all three of these types of photos. And one thing that you guys can do that Instagram's heavily favoring right now is take about 3 or 4 photos, edit them, make them creative, and then make them into a carousel. Carousel is when you swipe over and you can keep seeing more photos. This increases the time somebody spends on your page, which Instagram favors. They like that. And you see a lot of people that have a lot of followers on Instagram are using this method right now. So we're gonna make some pictures. We're gonna go take those shots and we're gonna put them into a carousel and post them on our Instagram. I'll put my Instagram down below so you guys can check out the results of those photos. Let's go. All right guys, so the first shot we're gonna take, just hanging out with a coffee mug. To be honest, I don't have anything in here right now, but I'm just gonna use this as a prop, just hanging out at home, leaning on this right here. Use stuff in your house, that always helps. And my phone right here is just propped up low on a timer right here. So it's kind of shooting with the grain of the table, looking upwards at me. And we're just gonna take a couple quick shots and let's check it out, see how they look. So I'm pretty happy with these photos. I like the way that they turned out. I was going for like the moody look, the I'm stuck at home, going crazy, losing my mind look that I think a lot of us are doing right now. So I'm gonna post these up, so definitely go on my Instagram, but let's go take another photo real quick. All right guys, so the next shot that we're gonna do right here is gonna be our mirror selfie. I have a mirror right here, windows surrounding me, which is gonna be pretty cool. On Instagram, you see a lot of people taking mirror selfies. For some reason, they always do well on Instagram, so I'm gonna get creative with this mirror, take some photos, sit down, take a bunch of shots and see which ones I like best just by holding my phone this time. So I'm not on a self timer, I'm actually gonna hold it. And what I'm gonna do, if I show you really quickly, I don't want to have the phone in front of my chest. I wanna actually have the phone to the side. And then this way, it doesn't cover my body and it doesn't look bad. For example, check this out. So right there, you see the photo? Not too bad, but it's kind of covering my body. And what happens is when you hold it here, it kind of makes your legs look thin and your upper body look big. So we're gonna tilt it to the side like this, and we're just gonna do a slight little dip, take that shot. It's gonna look really cool. Check out the difference. Right there. It's small, but it looks really cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit down right here. I'll put my foot on the mirror, take all sorts of random, different, relaxed, cool shots, see which ones look best. The reflection from the windows with the lights coming in, the mirror bouncing back. You can take some awesome Instagram photos, so check these ones out. Let's take a few photos real quick. So I'm actually pretty happy with how these photos turned out. My dog photobombed them, but that's okay. If you have a dog, let them in the photos. Instagram loves pets, especially dogs, so never be afraid to let your dog in. These turned out really good. As you can see here, check this out. So I put my foot up on the mirror, which creates like a really cool reflection, and it bounces back into us, shows the dog. These are really nice photos. I like these. I'm definitely gonna edit these ones and throw them up as well in the carousel video so we can get more engagement, and it looks good. All right guys, so our last shot that we're gonna do, I'm just gonna open up the wallet, hold it in the palm of my hand so that you can see the extra logo on there, and I'm gonna take my phone and all I'm gonna do is hold it directly downwards at my feet with my palm like this, and I'm gonna take these shots just right here.
These actually turned out awesome. Look at these photos. Those are super cool shots right there. When I edit those and I put a little bit of light and flare into them, those are gonna look awesome on Instagram.
See guys, so these shots right here, they didn't even take me long at all, and they look super cool just from your own house using your iPhone. I'm filming on a DSLR right now. I like to take photos with my DSLR, but we don't always have that on us, and we can take some really creative shots that will go viral on Instagram, get a lot of likes, get a lot of comments. The other trick is how you caption them, what hashtags you put, stuff like that. But today I just wanted to jump in to show you guys how to take good pictures on your iPhone. Use good lighting, okay? Take a lot of shots, use props, do all that fun stuff, get creative. So if this video helped you guys, don't forget, like this video, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.